Okay, so we got two units here. We have a downstairs unit, and then we have this upstairs unit. And I got a call that there was a leak, but they got it to temporarily stop. So I was thinking, oh, okay, well, it's likely the drain. We deducted it to this. But then the guy downstairs, the tenant downstairs, sent a photo, a video. Not sent it, but showed me a video of this copper right here squirting. Now I'm gonna pull this piece of wood, and the tenant's like, yeah, my buddy came over and he fixed it, or temporarily. I was like, wait, what? So what I think he did is literally just put this piece of wood to cover up the hole. Yep, that's what he did. He just put this piece of wood to stop the leak. See? Yeah, see? Right there. All right, we can turn the water off. Let's hope that shutoff works.
Did it sound like
it? Yeah, it's going down. Now the next question is, how the heck do we get in there?
There's a crawl space right here.
Yeah, did you see the meters right there? I guess I'll just have to squeeze by them. That's like a gardener. You know, gardener, how I have to climb by all those meters.
Or open up that fucking...
I don't think I can get in there, dude.
Why don't you just open this shit then?
Well, the problem is I'm gonna need to get below, and I'm gonna need some. That's soft copper. That's type K, which I guess we could use a little Uponor. I could sweat on some Uponor adapters.
Oopie?
A little oopie.
Oh, that motherfucker, rats eat that shit. I know there's rats over here.
Yeah.
Big ones.
Yeah. You got a point. Then I'd have to go get some. This one's it right here? Okay. Wow. I think this was on the, well, I mean, I don't know. I cut it right here. So Carlos is gonna cut out the vertical. I'm looking at this line. You got potential pinholes that are gonna start. So I'm gonna cut it right here. We're gonna go across. Right there. That looks like regular copper. I could probably press onto that. All right, can we pull that out? Oh wait, hold on. Sorry. It's here. I'll get it. All right. It'd probably be easier for me to. All right, yeah, that works. That works. I can pull it through here if it's easier.
All right, go ahead.
There we go. All right. That's if you wanna feed some of that Uponor through here. There you go. I don't know how I didn't video that, but that solder took very well on that one. All right. All right. Can you hand me the Upy gun? The little Uponor gunsies?
You're gonna have to go over there to the crossbay.
Oh, yeah, all right. Okay. This is cool. Now, let's there. Gonna have some pinholes back here soon. Maybe that's just, I'm gonna sand those a little bit. Clean them up. Just a little bit. Okay, that's, okay. So you got the angle stops on the other side right here. I think I'm gonna cut it just behind all this green crustiness. And then sweat on another. I could probably press that, to be honest with you, but I don't know. Whoops. I just need to get that to stay up. There you go. All right. You know what you can do? What we can do is we can crimp. Let me see these real quick. They're just too freaking hot. Put that like that, and then look, you do this. Like that. That should crimp it on there. She wrote. It would have been a lot harder if I was by myself and that was sitting in the wall. Oh, yeah. That's a good sign. How to use the old pinch technique.
That was good. That was good.
The old timers taught me that.
Now I learned something new.
Yep.
And Edgar, ¿verdad? Entonces dices cómo lo trató para que se no se cayera. Sí.
Teaching all kinds of generations. Okay. Just clean that off. That looks good. All right, you can let it go. Then we'll just let that cool, and then we'll oopy it up.
tiene pinches placas de.
Oh, usted, pues.
There you go. Yes, sir. Okay, that's in there, man.
Que sale aire.
Ain't no way this is gonna leak.
Si lo abro el chingazo, puede tronarlo de ahí.
All good?
Yeah, it's all the way on.
Sweet.